Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hey, I'm going to take my HDZERO Goggles 2 and I'm going to try to apply my decal skin. It's supposed to be white camo vinyl skin to the goggles. And yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a while. Everybody's asleep right now, so it's nice and quiet. And I'm going to set up and let's get it done. You ready? Let's go. All right, so first things first. Let me just tighten up my mounts here. All right, so first things first, let's take off the straps and the battery pack. Not gonna need that. And then next, let's take off all the antennas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, let's go and go down. Now I don't know where all these pieces go yet. Looks a little bit confusing, honestly, when I look at the sheet, but that's okay. All right, so now we've got this sheet and I have to figure out where all the different pieces go. So let's do the ones that I know where they go first. All right, we got all the decals on. Looks pretty cool. Very cool. Let's go ahead and put the antennas back on. Actually, first let's plug in the... No. Cool. All right, so here's a closer look. This is how it all comes out. Looks pretty awesome, right? Pretty cool. All right, let's put them on and see how they look. I mean, goggles, you're not gonna look cool wearing goggles no matter what, but let's put them on. All right, well, I got these from a company called White Camo. They're in Vietnam. It was about $35. They're not paying me to say this, but I think it's cool. They got lots of cool designs you can go check out. And maybe pick one up for yourself. All right, you know, I put my skin on my other goggles. So I have my DJI Goggles 3 goggles from Decal Girl that look cool. And now I've got the white camo from Maya Combo. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching me put these decal skins on, and I certainly had fun doing it. And yeah, thanks for watching my video. We'll catch you on the next one.